Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I know I look like a bum and that's because we're gonna be trying on a headband wig. So we're gonna be trying on this headband wig. This one is from Fashion Plus headband wig, and I'm just gonna I just love this little cute little package that the headband wig came in. Just gonna try it on and show you what it looks like. We're gonna be wearing a headband wig for a month or so, I don't know, for a few weeks I should say. So these are the scarves that we got with the headband wig. This nice little blue one, a nice little polka dot green, army green, and another blue one. This one is like lace, the material is like sheer, not lace. Then another cute yellow one. Then we got these satin headbands, a pink and a blue. So they're pretty cute. Yeah, I think they're cute. I wear these. Yeah. Anyway, we're just going to install this little headband. It is supposed to be body wave. Yeah, body wave. 18-inch. This is the hair. 18-inch body wave. And the first thing that I want to do is to do my edges before I actually show you the wig, and to brush it down or do whatever. So I'm just going to put some edge control, and I'm going to use my edge brush. Just going to apply just a little. It's going to brush the hairline. I already brushed my hairline, but I'm just going to add a little bit more so it can be neat, and then I'm just going to tie it down. And also I'm going to also add some, what do you call it again, black eyeshadow, just for the illusion that I have thicker edges, because my edges are thin. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more and just apply it to the edges. Yeah. See? And then just use my fingers to kind of pull it back. Yeah, so we're basically like molding the edges, as you can see. Pretty much molding the edges. And then I'm just going to use the edge brush to just brush to make it a little bit more what do you say now, neat or put together. I don't know what to say. Okay, so just basically brush that in. Make it look like I actually tried to do my edges when I actually didn't. Yeah, so we'll just brush that in. Take a little bit more of the edge control. Just apply it to the areas where, you know. Now I'm going to take a teeny bit more of the edge control to kind of sleek it down a little bit more. I'm just going to barely tap it like so. Yeah. Nice. And then I'm just going to use the brush now to kind of swoop it in a little bit more. Alright, so this is it. What I'm going to do now, let me check if it's giving me what I want. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to tie it down and then fix up the hair. right, so this is okay, so this is the hair. As you can see, came with a little plastic thing. Comes with the regular Velcro tightening what do you call this again? Headband, pretty much, with the Velcro tips and so forth. And then it also comes with this for extra security. And you know the regular combs that comes with the headband. And this is the density of the wig. This is how it looks right out of the package. Very, what do you say now, loose wave, I would say. Very loose. It's not super thick. I would say this is like a 150 density. 150 density, yeah. 150 bar, maybe 150, 160. Yeah. But probably 150 density. So it's not super thick. But it's manageable, so you can wear it on an everyday basis, especially in like warmer weathers. Yeah. So I'm just going to apply this to my head right now. All right. So let's go. I'm gonna pull this off. So the first thing that we need to do is to okay guys, so yes, this is it. I don't know for some reason if the audio or the mic wasn't on, but like I wanted to show you the hair without the headband. So yeah, this is it. I don't know if it's giving what it should have gave, or I don't know if it's giving what it, you know, what I wanted to give, or I don't know if it's giving what you think it should give. Hold on. I wonder if I can put like a headband over it. What color? Maybe the yellow? Blue? What do you think? Should I wear a headband with this or the green? Oh, the green is giving. The green is giving me, yeah, nice. It's a vibe. Okay guys, so this is the look. This is the look. What do you think? It's pretty easy. The hair feels extremely lightweight. It's not heavy at all. And what else? Is it easy to put on and to just finesse? Like, yeah, it's easy, but personally, if you are very specific and if you have a specific way that you like your wigs to look, you know, you're going to want to spend time to, you know, make sure that you perfect it. I mean, I don't know, tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you like the headbands? I actually love the headbands because I've been wearing them because this is not the first time I'm putting on this wig, to be honest. I actually made a video before this, and the video, I didn't like how it looked. I should have posted this video like a month ago, but it's just today. But I've been wearing these headbands because they're really nice and they're convenient, especially if you have braids and other stuffs and you don't want to put any edge control onto your edges, you just want to moisturize your edges and protect it, you can wear these, especially the silky ones. They're very like edge friendly, you know what I'm saying? But this is the hair, guys. I really love it. I love the headband. I love the vibe that it's giving me. So much, I didn't try so hard kind of vibe. When you don't want to do a lot with your hair, but you want to look like you did a lot. Yes, this is the vibe. And when it comes to like shedding, the hair does shed. It shed. I don't know if it's shedding because it's new, but it sheds. Like whenever I finger detangle the hair, I see hair coming out. So the hair sheds. But if I was supposed to say it sheds a lot, I don't know what it means if someone says the hair sheds a lot. But I mean, it's not shedding to the point where too much hair is coming out, but I know that it sheds because I think if, for example, if I was combing my natural hair and the amount of hair that comes out of this, if I saw that coming out of my natural hair, like if I was like finger detangling or combing it out, I would think that something is wrong with me based on the amount of hair that is coming out whenever I use my fingers to detangle the hair. So this is the reason why I don't know if I'm supposed to say if it sheds a lot or it sheds a little, but the hair sheds. So just be careful of how you are, combing it out and so forth. And also remember that's a curly unit, so you have to really be very careful with how you care the hair. Don't take comb and rake it out and stuff like that. Like, be gentle, make sure that it is, use your fingers to detangle it, and don't apply like combs or so forth that's going to like tear out the hair, or fine teeth comb and so forth. Just be gentle with the hair. Make sure that you apply your leave-in conditioner and paddle brushes, brush it and so forth, and I think it will be okay. You don't really have anything to worry about. But so far so good, no problems. Really loving the hair. I really love how it looks on me. I don't know if you think the same. Tell me what you think. But yeah, this is the look for me.